Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anthea. Today I am here to show you guys the power of makeup. I have decided to do this video because just recently somebody actually asked me why I feel the need to put on makeup, yet I'm such a beautiful girl. Well, am I? Makeup shaming is actually a thing. There are people who are even ashamed to say that they love makeup. There is a lot of criticism towards people who wear makeup because when you wear makeup, people tend to think that you have low self-esteem issues, you have insecurities, and you don't really love yourself. On the other hand, there are so many other reasons as to why people put on makeup. I am going to apply makeup to only one side of my face and then leave the other side bare so that we can compare. Look guys, I have dark spots on my skin from acne. So I am going to cover that up with my foundation. I love my foundation because it gives me fairly good coverage, but whatever I was not able to cover with the foundation, I am going to go in with my concealer. There are days when I am so exhausted and don't get enough sleep, so I have dark circles around my eyes, and you know what I do for that? I go in with my concealer again to cover that up, but this time I use this. Let me set that using this. Well, I would love to have symmetrical, full-length eyebrows, but I don't. So I am going to fill those in using my eyebrow pencil. I have hooded eyes, so they're not as open and as awake as I would want them to be, so I am going to fix that by creating a new crease shape using eyeshadow. Due to recent events, I have added a few extra pounds and it does show on my face. So I'm going to make my face look a little bit slimmer. Welcome to the world of contouring. For the illusion of light on my face, I am going to be using highlighter. I am going to line my lips to give them a little bit more volume, and then I will apply my lipstick. So, what do you think? This does not in any way mean that if you have insecurities, you should just throw on some makeup. But nobody should make you feel bad about loving makeup. Makeup is art, it is creativity. There should be no rules to makeup. If you want to wear it head on, full glam, then please do it. Be free to wear it mild, hot, sexy, sassy, whichever way you want, and nobody should make you feel bad about it. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. If you did like it, give me a thumbs up, share, and leave me a comment below. And also, if you have not yet subscribed, please do not forget to do so and turn on notifications. I hope you feel better about makeup and loving it, and have yourselves a lovely time. Until next time.